to make waste wood into pellets, how to design the production process. Today a video will tell you. To make waste wood into pellets, we may need to use crushers, hammer mills, dryers, pelletizers, coolers, packaging machines, silos, dust removal, conveying, and other equipment to build a complete large-scale dense molding production line. Take Yulong's equipment as an example to introduce the production process of wood granulation. Crushing process. First, the wood needs to be crushed. The wood passes through Yulong's wood chipper for preliminary crushing. The wood is crushed into wood chips of about 2 centimeters. At this time, the pellet size of the material does not meet the requirements of granulation. Further crushing is required. Grinding process. The crushed materials are then processed into fine powder by Yulong's high-efficiency hammer mill, so that the materials reach the pellet size standard that meets the granulation requirements. Drying process. For materials with high moisture content, Yulong's rotary dryer can be used to control the moisture content of the materials to between 10% and 15%. After the materials meet the moisture requirements for granulation, they are sent to the pellet machine for granulation. Granulating process. The materials are sent to the double-shaft mixing silo and transported to Yulong's 8th generation centrifugal high-efficiency pellet through the feeding screw conveyor for granulation. Yulong's 8th generation centrifugal high-efficiency pellet machine has 3 models: 132 kilowatts XGJ560 pellet machine with an output of 1.5 to 2 tons per hour, 250 kilowatts XGJ50 pellet machine with an output of 3 to 4 tons per hour, 800 kilowatts XGJ1200 pellet machine with an output of 15 to 20 tons per hour. Cooling process. After the pellets are pressed and formed, the temperature is high. Since the pellets contain a certain amount of water, the pellets will generate a large amount of steam under the action of high temperature. In order to avoid the condensation of steam into water, which will affect the quality of the pellets, a cooler is needed to separate the steam generated during the pelletizing process. From the pellets, Yulong uses a countercurrent cooler, which can evenly separate the steam and ensure the quality of the pellets. Packaging process. After the pellets are cooled, they are packaged using packaging equipment. Yulong Company provides 2 types of packaging equipment: a packaging machine for small packages and a ton bag scale for large packages. In addition, in order to facilitate the handling and stacking of packaged pellets, Yulong also provides a stacking robot. If the customer has high requirements for the environmental protection of the working environment, the use of a pulse dust collector can effectively reduce indoor dust. The above is the conventional solution for waste wood pelletizing. The specific process design needs to be based on the customer's site, materials, output, budget, etc. Develop different solutions. If you want to inspect the large-scale dense molding production line, Shandong Yulong welcomes you to visit the factory for on-site inspection.